Everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike, we are back today with the Bimmer Beamer. Do you remember the Bimmer Beamer? Yep, this is the car that has made my life a living you know what. Yeah, this car has driven me crazy. My hair has fallen out, my hair has turned gray, my weight has gone up, and my bank account has gone empty. Today, we're fixing her with a ball. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Lola knows this car, don't you? Of course you know this car. This is the Bimmer Beamer, 2008 BMW 135i that I have had for quite a while. It was parked at Truthful Tom's house for many a months. He enjoyed every second of his time with the car. I dragged it over there on a trailer. We unloaded it somehow, and then it just kind of lived there for a while. Do you want to give me your opinion? Here we go. What do you think?
I think you got a little too much in it now.
Mama Monkey Wrench, what do you think?
I'm a monkey wrench.
Yeah.
I don't know what to think about all of this, I'll tell you.
Well, it's literally probably the dumbest thing that I bought. Then eventually, I got a place where I could work on it other than a parking lot, so we brought it back down to Tulsa. But this is it, 2008 135i convertible, twin turbo, full of love, full of heartache as well. This is what we're dealing with today. Look at that. Yep, she was in a little bitty fender bender, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna try what I have been told to try. This may be a rumor, maybe a myth, maybe it doesn't work, maybe it does. We're fixing that with this. I guess it's this. All right, let me show you what's going on, because it's literally Christmas Eve, and I'm thinking about driving this up to Truthful Tom's house just to show him how much progress I've made on this car, which is like that much. No, actually, I've done a lot of work. And because I'm gonna be on the road and this doesn't have a spare, we threw this in the back. Okay, so we're gonna take this out, toss it over here. Oh my gosh, get our hands dirty already. Now, my plan of attack, okay, we have underneath here, this is your convertible top motor. It lies beneath, okay? It's in 3 pieces right now because I've been trying to figure out why the top doesn't work and why the tonneau hasn't locked itself and why a lot of squeaks and rattles are going on inside. That had a huge leak. There were some problems with it, so I've tried to been cleaning it. I've tried to rebuild it. Hasn't gone as planned. But if you will look closely, you have access to this from right there. Okay, if I peel this back, this underneath here, right in here, is where the car is damaged. What I've been told is if I got a football, kind of shoved it back there and then inflated it, it would push this right back out. Will that work? I don't know. I just don't even know. Okay, you know what I'm thinking too? We might even try to take this off. Let's remove this and see if we have more access to the damage right here. 3 bolts and she comes off. 2 electrical connectors, 3 bolts, and we have access. A little bit of access. You can kind of see right there. That's where I want to be. That's where I want to put the football. And we're going to give it an inflate and we're going to see what happens. Because I have water coming in here and it's leaking down into where the power top pump is, and that is one of the issues with the power top pump. It's a little rusty. So let's see if we can squeeze the ball and put it in here and see what happens. But let's just see how small we can get this and how we're going to precariously perch it in there. I don't even know what's going to happen. Do I do this laces out, laces in? I don't know. This crazy thing works. I will buy you a steak, legend. I will buy you a steak. And you too, Lola. Okay, so basically I got it perched in there. See where it is? And we're just gonna give this a push or 2, or 3 or 4. Just kind of see what happens. Okay, here we go. 1. We're gonna keep our eye on the prize. Right there. 2. 2. They're still pumping. 3. You see any movement? I do. Or maybe that was just legend. Is that your shadow? No. Wait a minute. Are you getting... Okay. It's getting harder and harder. I think it's come out a little bit. I think my next career is going to be in PDR. No, it's not. But look. Look, it's getting better. Look at that. I just shoved it in more. And I'm bumping it up. We're going to pump you up until this explodes. Oh my goodness. Come on, metal. Come on, metal. Remember where you used to be. Show me that memory. Doesn't metal have memory? Then it kind of goes back to where it's supposed to. Oh, goodness. Holy crap. That's better. Sure wish that would close. What do you think? Are we fixing it? You have to know everything that's going on, don't you? You really do. You're so smart. With those caramel eyes. Woo, you're so pretty. All right. We've moved the ball down the field. Yep. We have moved the ball from here to here, and I'm going through here now with the air pump. And can you believe this? Watch. Can you see how it's popping it out? Oh, did you hear that? Holy guacamole. Oh. Somebody's getting a steak dinner. Somebody's getting a steak dinner. But you don't remember when I said that, do you? No. Holy crap. Look at that. If only this would stay closed. Oh my gosh. Now what? What else can I fix? The S63. I can fix the S63. I just couldn't stop. I just could not help myself. So we've removed the gas door pocket, I guess is what it's called. Okay, basically just 4 clips on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on top, 2 on bottom. This thing literally, it goes like that. It pops right out. Okay, you remove the fuel door so you don't damage anything. And you get this, which gives you access to all of this right here. Now, I'm going to put this on my knee, and we're going to give it a pump, and I'm going to show you what's going on. Can you see it move? Can you see it? Yeah. Look at that. It's popping it out. Goodness, so much better. One more. Okay, we're just gonna let that set for a minute. Then I'm gonna deflate it and I'm gonna see if I can push it more inside the actual damage right there. This is crazy talk. Watch. Okay, I need another hand. Or a camera stand, one of the two. Watch. Can you see it? You see it popping right out? Holy moly. Okay. That is a humongous difference. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It looks worse on camera, but that is huge. I need you to go back just like it. Yeah, like right there. There you go. And maybe you can go right there. Okay. Now we still have access to this. So let's get that attached. Let's just see what happens. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to go too far. Oh, did you see that? It's right here now and right here. It used to be all right here. Do I stop now and then call in the professional? I think so, because I'm getting too excited, and that's usually when I screw it up. I think so. I think so. Okay, let's get the football out. Ooh. You know what this makes me want to do? Yep. I want to fix another car. Look at that. Look at that. Now what we're going to do is we put the pocket back in, but I leave the spring out. So the door, see how the door flap is all the way closed? That's how it's going to stay. It's not going to pop it out, which is fine with me. Final touch, put the door back on, the pocket back on, gasket first. Gasket on the pocket, pocket on the fender, quarter panel there, quarter panel, gas cap on the pocket, and you get that as a result, which is 87.3% better. So much better. So we have 1, 2, a little thing here, 3, 4. That's not going to cost too much to PDR. That's not going to cost those things right there. So I'm predicting not a lot of money is going to be spent finally after sucking the bank account dry. Mr. Bummer Beamer, you are going to be a good car. Well, the gang's all here again, and I want to show you the result. Okay, look at that. Yep, like I said, 87.4% better. Looks worse in the camera than it does in real life, but we got this shut. That's okay. We got this back together. We know we have access to this and this, so we can get it addressed. All right, everybody, just like that, the Bummer Beamer is coming back. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. This is a love-hate relationship. It really, really is. I love the car, then I hate it, then I love it again, because driving it when she drives is pretty fantastic. Fixing her, also pretty fantastic. Okay, now if you've made it this far in the video, thank you for hanging out with me. Appreciate that as well. I'm trying to work the camera here, make it a little better. Ooh, that's worse. Let's go back this way. So what happens next? Well, we are taking the Bummer Beamer to her best friend. Remember Truthful Tom from the video? Well, guess what? We're going to drive the car up to where Truthful Tom and Momma Monkey Wrench live, and we're going to surprise them. And we're going to get their reaction on all the work that I've done so far. So that is video number 2. The Force Find BMW is, I've received some parts. We're going to start working on that as well. Rusty, the SL500, which has been hugely popular, is almost ready for the road. We're going to address one more situation with Rusty, and then he will be good to go. And then that little car right there. Yep, the CLK 320. She's in the pipeline too. It's not going to take much to get her fixed. I'm not really going to do much with her because she's kind of a basket case, I think. Don't listen. I love you. I do. You have all kinds of Jesus and Praise God stickers and tags and everything all over you, which is great. I do as well. But I don't know how long you're going to be with me. I might just have to send you to auction or sell you kind of cheap because I just have too much going on right now. There are so many cars that all want my attention. Okay, so next video on the Bummer Beamer is Truthful Tom and Mommy Monkey Wrench at Christmas. Yes, I bought him the best Christmas gift ever. Bye-bye.